Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. If you're already following my channel on UiPath apps, then you must know what are the different ways that you can actually bind an image or add an image into your apps. But today I'm going to show you the most updated version and the latest implementation that you can follow in order to add your apps into the applications. Add your images into your applications. So here, I'm just showcasing you if you don't know already how you can do that. So there are already two methods up there on my channel. So you can just check out this particular playlist, which is UiPath apps. And in that you can find two videos which will showcase you how you can actually do this image binding with UiPath apps. This is using storage bucket. If you have your image file in the storage bucket and if you want to bind it, then you can go for this approach. And if you wanted to do it other way, like this is also a simpler way by using apps file variable that you can do it in this way. But with the latest update and with the improvisation that we have with UiPath apps, you can do it even more simpler and easy way. But yes, you can adapt it based on your requirement. So here, there's a new entity that you can just see here, the new thing, which is media, right? So you can just click on media. Okay, and you can just add up the image that you want. So let's say I want to add this particular image. I just selected, and you can see here there's a this particular image gets added into your media section, right? So this is a new one that you can see. So you can see the image that you have added from your local over this particular section, which is media. Simple, right? So now the next thing is you just have to bind this thing to your image. So you have a control already, right, which we use for displaying images on our applications. So just drag this image over here, and in that particular image go to the source, right? So this is the place where we actually utilize, or we use this for binding of that particular image or particular data especially, right? So here you can see this image basically needs apps file, right? So as I told you, in the second method we were using apps file variable in order to push or in order to retrieve the data of the image and to showcase. But here what I have done is I'm utilizing the image that's there in the media, and I'm trying to display that over here. Quite simple, right? So just go and type in media, right? Media dot. And as soon as you click on the dot, you can see all the images that are there over there. So let's say if I'm adding one more image, let's say I'm adding this thing. Okay. So I'm adding two images over here. So now my first image, let's go to this general, and in the source. So once after you type media dot, you can see what all the two images. So earlier we can see only the PNG, but now you can also see the JPG, which is a later addition to that. So I'm just adding this and then click on save. So once after you do that, that's it. You can directly see that particular preview over here. And then once after you just click on the preview, you can also see how it actually appears. You can do the resizing, styling based on your requirement once after you check it in the preview. Okay, so this is quite simple. You just have to utilize that media section, upload the file from your local into that particular section, and only the syntax that you have to remember is, because this is in the media section, you have to use media dot and you have to select whatever the file that you wanted to upload into your application, right? So this is all. I hope you loved this video and also you found this content useful. If so, please do let me know in the comments, and also I'll come up with the latest updates and all the new happenings of UiPath apps. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye.